All right, welcome to round 2 of the Roller Weight Loss Cooking Series. Tonight we're doing smoked chicken. Very easy recipe, easy to do, high in protein, low in calories. So great for bariatric surgery patients, also great for your families. So we got a young chicken. We spatchcocked it, which means take the backbone out. We dry brine it for 3 hours. Basically, that just means put a bunch of kosher salt on it, let it sit in the refrigerator. And then we put it in the smoker. We do it 3 hours at 225. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Here's my lovely assistant, Miss Emery Roller, is gonna be helping me. All right, Emery, let's get this chicken out. Oh, looks perfect. Smells really good too. Very nice, here we go. So you can see how good it looks. It's really tasty. Be careful on things like barbecue sauces. Be sure you get something sugar-free. It's low in calories. You can really add a lot of calories with stuff like condiments. So I want you to give this a try. It's really easy to do. I hope y'all enjoy it. Have a good night.